Half Girlfriend is the story of Madhav, a Hindi-speaking Bihari who falls in love with Riya, an elite Delhi girl at the prestigious St. Stephen's College. Madhav Jha, a rural Bihari boy, gets admission in a prestigious St. Stephen's College in Delhi through sports quota. Riya Somani, a rich Delhi businessman's daughter, also gets admission in the same college through sports quota. They both love to play basketball and soon they become best friends. Madhav develops love feelings for Riya, which he tries to express on her different occasions. But Riya was too reserved as she takes him only as a friend and nothing much. Riya, who isn't up for such shenanigans, forces on him an arrangement of half-girlfriendship, which is understood to be a relation more than friendship but excludes the physical. Madhav, who professes love with it, देती है तो दे वरना कट ले. Riya chooses the latter and flees away, telling Madhav to never contact her again. Months pass before Madhav can gather the courage to speak with her again, and when he does, Riya hands him her wedding card, complete with chocolate and stuff. Riya marries a hotel mogul in London. He therefore decides to go back to his village, Dumrao, to help his mother in running her rural school. But before he leaves, he sits for the placement for HSBC. They offer him a job, but Madhav declines the job offer and leaves for Bihar. He goes back to his village, Dumrao, to help his mother. Madhav starts helping his mother at her school, where they need funds to build school and toilets. Later on, they come to know from MLA that Bill Gates is coming to Bihar to fund some schools, and if they succeed in impressing him, he would fund their school. Bill Gates decides to visit Bihar with his team from the Gates Foundation. To get Bill pay their bills, Mr. Jha has to organize a little song and a dance performance for the delegation and deliver a speech in English. Thus, he lacks confidence as he cannot speak fluent English. Madhav soon enrolls himself for some English classes at Patna, the city where he also runs into Riya. Riya is now a divorcee and is working with Nestle. Madhav, with renewed hope of love, now helps her with setting up her little apartment, and in return, Our Lady helps him with his speech, telling him to read Chetan Bhagat to improve his English. Very close to the day of the big speech, Madhav takes Riya home to his mother, who gives Riya the stairs. The newly in love do some romance, after which Madhav delivers his speech and gets a lot of money from Mr. Bill Gates. Immediately after the grand event, Riya goes missing. When Madhav goes around looking for his lady love, he receives a letter from Riya in which she tells him about her terminal lung cancer and how she has decided to go underground and die alone because she doesn't want him to take care of her in her last days. Boy looks for Riya babe all over the Delhi Bihar, but no luck. 3 years later, Riya's landlord from Patna finds some of her journals from the apartment and hands them to Madhav, who thinks it will be torturous for him to go through them because her painful memories will come rushing back. So what must he do with it? Keep them safe in the attic? Throw them away? Burn them? Hell no. Take them to Chetan Bhagat, he says. At this point, you're all like, dude, this makes absolutely no sense. I mean, what has Chetan Bhagat got to do with this? Apparently, Chetan Bhagat is also confused to see the journals. He is told that Riya had asked Madhav to read Chetan Bhagat's books to improve his English, so that how he thought it would be best to take journals to the author. Madhav tells Chetan to dispose the books the way he likes. After Madhav leaves, Mr. Bhagat dumps the journal into the garbage bin before he decides to go to bed. Except, with so much literature lying in his bin, he decides to take a look. Chetan Bhagat then reads the journal through the night and phones Madhav early morning. Madhav reaches Chetan's room soon enough and is asked to read some of the Riya's diary entries. Through the journal, Madhav learns about the domestic violence Riya had to go through in her marriage, about how she was sexually abused as a child, and about how Madhav's mother had told her to stay away from him, because of which she had to make up the cancer story and leave Mr. Jha to his own misery. Madhav remembers that Riya always spoke about wanting to be a singer at a bar in New York, and therefore she must be in New York. Madhav requests a few of his friends at the Gates Foundation to get him a 3-month internship in Manhattan. They oblige and Madhav travels to the Big Apple in search of Riya Madam. Last night in America, he finds out where Riya could be singing, runs 7 miles in the snow to reach her, and stands in front of her while she sings with her eyes closed. Riya opens her eyes at the end of the song and both cry. Then the couple heads over to Riya's place and do some lovemaking. The story ends with Mr. Chetan Bhagat being shown around the rural school by Madhav and Riya, who are now married and have a son. Also, Chetan is very free visiting schools and all.